Hello everybody, hi guys. Today I need to open interactive multi-lock, interactive plus. This lock was manufactured before, not before 2090, and this is profile 252, very not comfortable. First pin ask, 5 pin ask, now interactive plus ask, little pin of first ask to 5 little asking, and now I need to work little pin here. This is groovy, very easy, nice, perfect. And now interactive out little, and pin number 3, low pin, nice on the place. Pin number 4, more low from third, good, perfect. Interactive 5, third, 4, first, and enter. That's all. Now this block, and now unlock. Okay, now what I want to make in this video, I want to show tools for multi-lock, special for multi-lock and for dimple locks. This is set for multi-lock, looking so. One multi-lock not was what I not picked with this tool, one not was. And these tools make very good lock picker. BUR, he have channel in YouTube, and I write about him in this video. And welcome to his channel, very interesting channel, and more. So have a nice time everybody, bye bye.